Sir, ma'am, in the YouTube company, this is only my cell phone. Kindly guard also my IP address to my cell phone. Collaborate with Samsung company for the protection of my IP address, because who knows, someone got my IP address and he or she can easily enter my storage and get all my videos there and photos there. I have only one channel. Just i-type nyo lang Ferdinand Leo official channel sa inyong mga YouTube app, guys. Kung hanapin nyo ako, just type Ferdinand Leo official channel in your YouTube app, guys, if you are looking for me. It's very hard to speak in English. Never mind my mistake in English, guys. Just watch my videos. Just hear my songs. Just watch my songs. Just watch my videos, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget also the notification bell, so that you will be updated to all the videos that is coming from me. Bulag daw ang pag-ibig in other style of voice.
Sinikap kong magbago ng dahil sa'yo. Minamahal kita. Lumambot ang puso kong dati ay bato, dahil sa pag-ibig mo. Bulag daw
Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. God bless. Thank you to my subscribers. But well, thank you, Sir Ma'am, in the YouTube company for helping me. Thank you so much for putting ads to my most viewed videos. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless. Mama chup chup.